Hello students, let's proceed the solution unit with the expression for concentration terms. And next concentration term is molality, denoted by small m. It may be defined as the number of mole of solute per kg of solvent. Denoted by small m is equal to moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. For example, 1 mole per kg means that 1 molar solution of KCl means that 1 mole, that is 74.5 gram of KCl, potassium chloride, dissolved in 1 kg of water, where N is given mass of solute denoted by small w upon molar mass of solute denoted by capital W. Or we can say small m is equal to small w upon capital W into m, where m is the mass of solvent in kg. If m is given in gram, then you have to convert this gram into kilogram by dividing the mass of solvent by 1000. M is equal to small w upon capital W into 1000 upon capital M is the formula for molality, and the unit is mole per kg, and the solution is known as molar solution. As in case of molality, mass of solvent is taken and mass is independent of temperature. Like that, mass percentage, ppm and mole fraction are independent of temperature. Why it is independent to temperature? Because in this case mass is taken and mass is independent parameter to temperature. Let's take an example of molality from NCERT exercise question number 2.3, page number 39. In this case, you have to calculate molality, and you have given 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid which are present in 75 gram of benzene. So first of all, you have to calculate the molar mass of ethanoic acid, which have chemical formula CH3COOH, and molar mass is 60 gram per mole. Molality is equal to given mass of solute, in this case solute is ethanoic acid, that is 2.5 gram, upon molar mass of that solute is 60 gram per mole, upon mass of solvent, and mass of solvent is 75 gram, but you have taken mass of solvent in kg, so it is divided by 1000, and after calculation it will be 0.556 mole per kg or small m. Next important topic, with the same solvent may be water, molar solution are less concentrated than molar solution, or we can say 1 capital M is more concentrated than 1 small m. 1 molar solution contains 1 mole of solute in 1 liter of solution, as the definition said that 1 molar solution contains 1 mole of solute in 1 liter of solution, which include both the solute and solvent. So mass of solvent is less than 1000 gram. So 1 molar aqueous solution contains 1 mole of solute in less than 1000 gram of solvent, but 1 molar solution has 1 mole of solute in exactly 1000 gram of solvent. So in this case, 1 molar solution is more concentrated as compared to 1 molar. Next expression is normality, denoted by small n, and it may be defined as the number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 liter of solution. The special in this case is that Here number of gram equivalent is taken, and the formula will be N is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute upon volume of solution in liter. And how can you calculate the number of gram equivalent of solute? It is equal to the mass of solute in gram upon my equivalent weight. In case of molality, we take molecular mass, we can say molar mass, but in this case equivalent mass or equivalent weight is taken. Let small w be gram of solute of equivalent mass E be present in V liter of solution, then normality will be equal to small w B indicate for solute upon EB equivalent weight of solute into V, and the unit will be equivalent per liter. Relation between normality and molarity is equal to N into M into molar mass upon equivalent mass, that is N factor. For in case of acids, N is equal to M into basicity. For acids, if you have to calculate normality and molarity is given, then for acid we take basicity. What mean by basicity? Basicity is the number of H plus ion of an acid molecule. For example, in case of sulfuric acid H2SO4, we take basicity 2 because in case of sulfuric acid there is 2 H plus ion released in the aqueous solution. As it is in case for bases, N is equal to M into acidity. And what mean by acidity? Acidity is the number of hydroxide ion of a base molecule. For example, in case of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, acidity will be 1 because there is 1 OH negative ion. Next concentration terms is known as formality, denoted by capital F. It is same as that of molarity, but this is special case for the ionic substance, for the salt. It is defined as the number of gram formula mass of ionic solute dissolved per liter of solution. So this is the expression of the concentration of ionic solid which do not exist as a molecule but exist as a network of ions. So in this case we take formal way or formula mass for salt or ionic compound, and the solution formed in this process is known as formal solution, or we can say 1 gram formula of a salt per liter of solution. It also changes with change in temperature, as in case of formality we take volume of the solution and volume is temperature dependent parameter. So formality is like that of molarity, also changes with temperature. Next, a new concentration term is Dremel, denoted by capital D. It is defined as the 1 mole of solute present in 1 liter of solution, and the special condition that is at 0 degree centigrade temperature. Note that molarity and mole fraction are preferred to molarity and normality because former involves weight of solute, that is we can say mass of solute and mass of solvent, but later involves volume of solution because volume is temperature dependent parameter while mass or weight is temperature independent parameter. So we give preference to molality as compared to molarity in case of concentration terms.